Lovely Inu is currently ranked 2,722 out of the top 100 most valuable currencies, with a current price of $0.00000010 US dollars and a market value of 0. The 24-hour volume for Lovely is 2,185,260, according to Tech News Leader Value List. In the last 24 hours, Lovely Inu's value has moved by 9.44%. The cost of Lovely has changed by 4.72% during the last 7 days. In this video, we will take a look at the future price assessment of the Lovely Inu coin, so make sure to stick around till the end. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask you for your number or any other personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So, please be aware of these scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Now, if we want to take a look at the most reliable price prediction of Lovely Inu for the remaining part of 2022, it looks something like this. Lovely Inu Value Forecast 2023. The price of Lovely Inu would rise in 2022, with the most extreme exchange rate perhaps reaching 0.000011 cents, with further use and connections to other key blockchain networks. If we maintain the current cost ranges, they will be very fashionable. If everything goes according to plan, we may anticipate an average cost of 0.00000011 cents and a maximum cost of 0.00000011 cents for 2022. The superior value anticipation Lovely will be seen as a better option in 2023, and thanks to the sizable local market, the price of Lovely Inu will reach new heights. It is challenging to predict the value swings, especially if one assumes that the market is more bullish or bearish than at any other period. Now, for the next year, the predicted prices of Lovely Inu are something like this. The price of Lovely Inu in 2023 will be close to 0.00000015 cents. The absolute maximum that we can obtain is 0.000018 cents. The estimate price for Lovely Inu at the value of 2023 will be roughly 0.00000016 cents. A massive value turnover is typically inside the realm of the crypto market. Now that you have had a glimpse as to the new future assessment of the Lovely Inu coin, why don't we take a look at the long-term price prediction? Lovely Value Prediction 2024. Finding a reliable method of handling this money on various websites and meetings may be possible. This anticipation stage states that Lovely Inu will continue to be offered at its current price indefinitely. The Lovely project is to have a maximum value of 0.00000025 cents by 2024. And if the market turns bullish, the basic price may increase to 0.00000021 cents. Lovely Inu Value Prediction 2025. It appears that by 2025, the cost of a Lovely Inu will have reached a level similar to its previous all-time high. We might anticipate an average cost of 0.00000031 cents by 2025. If all goes according to plan, we predicted that Lovely Inu's highest price will be 0.00000037 cents in 2025. After a protracted bull run, there's a potential that the market would crash, and this is common in the cryptocurrency money market. I know that many of you have questions regarding the Lovely Inu coin, its working, and most importantly, its reliability. So, we will now try to answer some of those questions right here. Is Lovely Inu a smart hypothesis? Lovely Inu has occasionally proven to be a pleasant endeavor. In addition to being innovative, it is one of the most energizing blockchain initiatives in terms of use cases. The blockchain is being used in several verifiable applications, increasing its value. Will Lovely Inu still be valuable in 2025? Many organizations and experts predict that the price of Lovely Inu will increase over the next 5 years, surpassing the 0.000047 threshold by the end of 2025. Even though the price seems excessive, nobody is certain. Lovely and other cryptographic forms of payment are sometimes erratic and may change their course at any time. In 10 years, how much will Lovely Inu be worth? The likelihood that the price of Lovely Inu will increase to 0.0000315 cents in 10 years is significantly higher. Within the next 8 to 10 years, the value of one Lovely Inu can outperform a basic cost of 0.000317 and a high cost of 0.0000365. What factors affect the price of Lovely Inu? The organic market drives Lovely Inu's value activities, much as it does with other resources. Principal organizations like block rewards halvings, hard forks, or new convention refreshes can impact these variables. Regulations, acceptance by organizations and governments, hacks into the digital currency market, and other verifiable events can all affect how much Lovely costs. Lovely Inu's market value might significantly vary in a short period of time. Many dealers seek to produce a Lovely Inu figure while also monitoring the behavior of Lovely whales, which are the substances and individuals that govern a lot of Lovely. Whales can individually affect the Lovely Inu market, since it typically contrasts little with little traditional commercial sectors. What did you think of today's video here today? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe and come back for more videos like this one.